If you're learning the harp and want your playing to feel more relaxed, more natural and a lot less tense, you're in the right place. If you're new here, hello, I'm Zuzanna, a harpist and harp teacher, and this is Coffee Break Harp, where I share tips and advice on all things harp so you can learn and make progress even if you only have a few minutes. I recently came across someone asking, I try to keep my thumbs up, but it feels awful. Am I doing something wrong? Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been playing for a while and still wonder, am I doing this thing right? This little lesson will give you a clearer, hopefully also kinder way to think about your hand position. Let's dive in. I think it's important to start by saying this. If your hands are finding things difficult, there is nothing wrong with them, or with you for that matter. The hand shape we aim for at the harp, the one that gives us this warm, beautiful tone, is not something we naturally use in everyday life. Think about how you use your hands day to day. Pick up a pencil, pick up a cup, your toothbrush. We rarely use a hand shape anything like what we need at the harp. So when your hands are approaching the strings, of course they imitate the movements they already know and maybe do some version of this or something like that. And then you remember, oh right, thumbs up. So you're trying to point that thumb upwards and you find yourself working somewhat against gravity. And that can feel like a lot of hard work because gravity is such a powerful force. So here's a gentler way to think about it. Start with your arms and your hands relaxed either by your side, or imagine you've just plucked a few strings and let your hand close naturally and gently. Wherever you begin, let your thumb lead the way to the harp. Aim for any string you want and try to land somewhere just above the middle. Now imagine your hand is a bunch of grapes. I know it sounds silly, but stay with me. Your fingers are the grapes. They are nice and ripe, warm, full and heavy in the sun, and your thumb is the stem holding the bunch and attaching to the vine, or to the harp in this case. Let your fingers hang, give in to gravity, stay soft, heavy, relaxed. Maybe even imagine yourself in that lovely sunshine. Let your fingers and the whole body enjoy the warmth. Can you see now how that lovely space is opening between the thumb and the fingers without us having to force anything? If you like, now you can place 1, 2 or 3 fingers on the strings and try playing a few notes. Press, pluck, close, let go, relax. Then you can try again. Relaxed hand, palm gently closed, thumbs leading the way, landing, fingers following, giving into gravity, and then slowly opening just enough to land on the strings. This is something you can practice even without playing, and it can make a huge difference to your technique, helping your hands feel more at ease and make your sound even warmer, rounder, more resonant. Let me know in the comments, how does it feel? And if you tried playing a few notes, did you notice any change in the sound? I really hope this little tip will help you stay more relaxed and enjoy this beautiful instrument even more. If you'd like more help with technique, practice strategies or anything else harp related, have a look in the description below this video for ways we can work together. And until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye!